we got this.
When we show them, we have this bin to put them in, so we know which ones we've done and which ones we haven't.
Yeah, and I just got back, and I'm staying here
Forever. She moved here.
First, I'm going to actually Kennedy's go first because she already has something in her hand.
Actually, no, you can go first. Let me just finish this.
So first we have this like snake, water snake was it?
Yeah, water snake.
Yeah, water snake. It's really slippery. See? It dropped out my hand. Trying to make these videos as funny and cool as possible.
This time, no pointing butts.
Yeah.
Like last time, Kayla pointed the butt and I had to pause the video because I got so mad. She's like, don't point the butt.
And that was mine and her first video together.
Yeah. Okay.
You yeah, I'm picking random this time.
So this is a squishy bunny and it has like little
Beads in it.
Light pink and dark pink beads in it.
Funny. So cute.
And some more. That's what it sounds like.
Okay.
And it's a bunny, by the way. If I do so.
Okay, we got this thingamajig. Okay, this is loud, so I'm not gonna. But if
You have to say like so that thing that she's having a hard time saying. I'm just gonna say for her.
yeah.
That thing spins. Like when you hold this little white knob, and then when you spin it, it makes a lot of noise. You try it.
See. Fun.
And you could also use that for a weapon. You could also use that for a weapon because it's plastic and it can bonk people's heads.
And it has a balloon on it, and this is what's.
Yeah.
Boy.
It's my turn.
Okay.
So this, we have, so here we have a little Pop It Go game. When you press the back, so look.
But we're not gonna play it because
It comes with all the beads popped in. So you have to press this button like this, and it turns on. It usually does, but it's got a batteries.
oh,
there it goes.
It turned on, but we're not gonna play it.
We're not gonna play it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Fun game.
Some of the stuff you're gonna see is some of it's gotta be like trash. Not like trash, like wrecked up, but like some of it's gotta be like real trash.
Shush up.
Like this.
Fluff up.
Hey Kennedy, can I like
Queen Kennedy.
I always call her Kennedy because yeah. But I'm gonna call her Queen Kennedy. But Queen Kennedy, can I like pick another one if there's trash?
Yes, you can.
Okay, but we have this finger thing trapper, but it broke right there. But it's actually green, not blue. So it's just really light.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, I get to pick another one.
That wasn't trash. It was just broken.
Oh yeah. But there's some trash like paper.
Yeah, and some things that are not fidgets. Anything that is not fidgets, you get to go again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so Kennedy told me before we started the video, she told me to stop playing with the fidget toys. I kept putting them out. And now she's playing it during the video. Yeah, I was kind of playing with that. Yeah.
So here we have
I'm going to put this at the bottom.
So here we have a fidget keyboard, and it has like an accurate keyboard on it, and it's rainbow. Did I mention? It is purple, pink, orange, yellow,
Yeah,
like
go
brown,
on.
like brown, green, and blue. And that's really pretty. Okay, it's your turn, Kayla.
Oh,
No, not a scorpion.
This is a scorpion. No, it's a lobster and a jellyfish, and it's a mini water snake. See?
I have a lot of water snakes here.
Yeah, there's only 3. Your turn. I got this one.
Oh yeah. So here we have a little thing where we get to where we get to so there's this thing where it's like a fidget and you put it right here and then you do that. Here's me playing with it.
You're weird, Kennedy.
You play with it too.
Okay, my turn.
Hi, baby. Okay.
We got trash. It says
bubble.
It says bubble big.
Bubble big, yeah.
Bubble big. You can hold on. Okay, now it says it for you because it's backwards.
Kayla, quickly.
Oh yeah,
No.
there.
This is a fidget. Hi. Say hi,
Remember.
I'm trying to make her meow.
Okay, back to the video.
Okay, baby.
But I got trash. Okay.
Trash.
Okay, I get to go again. What is this weird thing?
It's a slug. Go up to the camera.
I know.
Don't be shy.
Oh no.
Explain what it is.
It's a slug, and so when you squeeze it, its eyes open. Wide. Hear it.
Don't do that.
That's another video. No. Yeah, we might make another video though. But hear this. Shut your mouth.
Shut your mouth. You slip up.
Shh.
Slip up.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna try to land it, guys. I'm gonna try to make it.
This is a stretchy banana.
Come on, do it like a helicopter.
Oh yeah. Helicopter.
You don't listen.
So, this is a stretchy
Your face
banana.
looks so cool.
My face
so
looks
bright.
pretty, doesn't it?
It's so bright.
I just put makeup on, that's why.
Yeah, but I need to turn this like down.
No, you do
The
not.
brightness.
You do not.
It's too bright. It's blinding my eyes.
Well, who cares?
Helicopter.
You can make an O and you can make any other letter that it can make. And here is an example. Kayla, hold. No, hold the edge. Come in front of the camera. No, like right here.
It's going across. But if we do it this way, see? Right here, and then Kennedy, go. Wait.
Enough.
Okay. I got stickers from the Dollar Tree.
Don't. Those are not favorites. Yeah, so that's that.
But you can't get them. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna dig down deep.
That's not a fidget. Put it in the bin.
Looks like glue.
Yeah, it is glue.
Oh yeah, I gave this to you. So I gave this to her for my birthday party. It's a puppet. I got the other piece, but it's all packed up. I don't have a house yet. So I'm living in a camper so far. And here's the satisfying. Oh, blind my eyes. Pace. Oh, and that girl whose name is Vivian, she's not friendly. She's
We do not talk about that. You do not say a word about that, Missy.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna try to get it. Wait. But she moved back to Florida.
Yeah, Vivian moved back to Florida. She's not coming back down anytime soon. Anyway, it's my turn.
And she said mean stuff about me.
Yeah. Say what she said.
I know.
Here we have a rainbow.
A rumba.
A rainbow
A rumba.
puppet. Shh. A rainbow puppet of a rainbow. I know it's trippy. Yeah, so there's the rainbow puppet of a rainbow.
Hold on 1 second.
1 second. We will be right back.
Oh, I think you got this for me. I think.
No.
Oh no, you didn't. That's the same thing. It's a puppet. See?
Oh. Here we have 2 fidget dollies. I think that they are called that. So here we have one with a pink, white, and yellow fidget spinner. That's her skirt. For her braids, we have monkey noodles. For her bow, we have a fidget spinner. And for her yellow cheeks, we have buttons. ASMR. And on this one, we have the same exact thing, but a pink, white, and blue puppet fidget spinner for the skirt. For the bow, we have a fidget spinner. And the cheeks, buttons. Monkey noodles for the braids. And both of them are keychains. I usually chain them together. And I'll show you how I chain them together. Okay, Kayla, pick out your next thing.
Okay.
Because I'm going to be done soon. And here's them together.
I picked up Big Chungus. Okay, is Pikachu from the last video? Okay. I'm gonna put this on the side. It's behind it because it's too big for it.
No?
No, because all this other stuff.
Put it in there. Okay. Okay, now here we have a pop, like a puppet thing. Here, I'll put the thing down.
But you already did this one. No, I didn't. I was playing with it.
So here we have a little water game, and you can press. This is pink, and then this is purple. You could press that. They get the little hoops on the rings, like the little rings on the things. And
I'm picking out my side.
I got 3 on one already. And it has a unicorn on it. Okay, it's your turn.
I got another water stick, but it's covered with this. It's soft, if you can hear it. And we got and it changes. And so as that one. Dropped it again. So yeah, we have this one, and then
When is it my turn?
and then it has this one.
Hi, man.
I keep dropping it.
Okay, I'm gonna pick mine.
I keep dropping them.
Oh, wait. Oh, so here we have something that's not a fidget, but you can pin it on your clothes for Christmas. It's a little gingerbread man. So I get to go again.
Oh yeah, I remember.
So here we have a dinosaur. Dinosaur. Roar. And it has Orbeez inside it, and you can squeeze it and the Orbeez come out. It's really cool. It's a stress toy. And it's about a T-Rex, by the way.
Wait, is there only two of these? Because I picked out one. So,
I need to.
yeah.
You have to pick one.
No, because I picked out one, so I have to get the collection.
Oh, yeah.
So, we have these. Why is it coming out of his arm? Just why? But, again, why to decide? I mean, they're... Okay.
At least they're on its butt.
Yeah, but, you told me to show the butt. I mean, you didn't tell me, but I showed the butt. Okay, so we got that, and then, can you guys see back here? Can I see back here?
If I move, yeah.
But, I don't actually do it up there, but, so we twist this, and those feet walk.
Yeah.
So, and there's Santa and the snowman. This is the snowman. And this is the Santa. Santa and snowman. Oh yeah, and we're both 9.
Yeah, there we are.
And sometimes we say we're too old. We're Grammys.
We're Grammys. Actually, I am an aunt to 2. And we haven't done a video on that yet.
I am an aunt.
So this is a really squishy stress toy heart, and when you squeeze it, it turns dark pink, and the outside is light pink. And there it is. And there's a little hole in the back. I don't know why. It doesn't. It's sealed up. This is when you squish it. ASMR.
Okay, the ASMR is done.
Made it.
Oh, it's a finger puppet. It's not Fidget, but it's axolotl, pink axolotl.
So you get to go again.
There's pink axolotl, finger puppet. Get to go again. Let's see. I'll go with something fun.
Everything here is fun.
Oh, this is a mochi. What is it? Oh, mochis are basically fishes. Yeah.
It's a jumbo mochi. Like a huge mochi.
It's a bear.
No? It's a mouse.
Whatever.
Look it.
Has a little tail. That's why. I showed its tail. Okay.
The back side of it is fun.
Kennedy, you start doing yours. I have to go get this one. I'm a runner. I'm a track star.
Oh my god, you're gonna get us copyrighted. So here we have a little basketball, and it's like a fidget spinner when you hold this. Shoo 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 shoo. Shoo 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 shoo. I just had to shoo it. So this is have it like a fidget spinner, and it's a baseball. It's a soccer ball. ASMR. Yes, it's spinning.
Start.
Okay.
You got
It's so cute.
it's like a bear thing.
It's
So-
not a bear.
I don't know what it is. I think I was showing its butt. Which way is butt?
Oh, it doesn't have a butt.
Yeah, it doesn't have a butt. So yeah.
Oh, it is a bear. It is a bear.
But so you put your thumb at. Okay, so go on one knee, pinky, ring finger, middle finger, and then pointer finger, and then no, that did it wrong way. So hold on. It's supposed to look like this, and then
the other way.
Well,
That's upside down. There we go.
It's like a stretch. Hey Kennedy, is this a fidget?
Yeah.
How?
You can stretch it.
Oh. And it'll work out for your hand.
That's why it's a fidget.
Okay.
Yeah. And that was a piece of garbage.
Okay,
Pop in a long time.
we have an orange puppet. Hear the noise.
Hear the noise.
Loud.
Hear the noise.
Takes forever to put back together. Hey Kennedy,
What?
I think you should do start doing the thing what I do.
What?
Where I go behind you when I get so close.
Okay.
Hi! Oh my god.
Hi! Hi! It's my show!
Makes an echo.
Echo!
Echo! If you couldn't hear me, I said echo. But look at ASMR.
Do you not notice what I'm doing?
It's not really smart anyways. My lips are drier than the Sahara Desert.
Mine too.
They're cracky.
Oh, this is not a fidget, and it is instead a birdie. So I get to go again. Oh, here we have like a thing, and right now it's sad. It's a puppet, and right now it's like. So right now it's mad or sad, whatever you want to call it. There we go. And it is an octopus. And when you flip it, you can pop the things again.
I'm a mermaid. Say
Under the sea.
under the sea.
Then when you flip it,
Under the sea.
it's happy. Happy, happy, happy. Oh my god. Smack the mermaid's butt. Smack the mermaid's butt.
I don't have a butt.
I mean, here's to get down.
I'm too old for this. Okay, I have this.
She has this.
Oh my god.
She has this.
You'll have to run away from me. Okay, it's a cat. It's a yellow cat. Hold on.
What?
Okay, yeah. So it's a cat, and it squishes.
And it squishes.
Yay! Yay! Ow!
Yeah!
Ow. Okay, Kennedy.
You hurt me, so I hurt you.
Excuse me.
Good. 1 second.
Okay, then I'll go again.
No. Why don't you pick out your next thing?
Excuse me.
I have to take care of her.
No.
Okay, so this is
Wait for me, I have legs.
So this is like a bendy thing. It's white and blue, and I'm trying to make it a straight line.
Happy, happy, happy.
And this, and I'll show you when I have it in a straight line. I'm almost done, so there we go. I have it in a straight line, and it's like an optical illusion.
Hey, Kennedy.
What?
So whenever I looked up Vivian's channel, I never saw it.
It's Vivian Carwardine. Yes, subscribe to her.
Here. I got this.
It's like, I got her here. I got her here. You get to go again. It's a magic mixy thing.
Yeah, it's a magic mix.
You have to go up to the thing. It's called dominoes.
But is it a fidget?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
It's a dominoes. See? This light is blinding my eyes. Then don't look at the light. But look, it's a domino. I have no idea how this is satisfying. Well, just ask Kennedy how it's satisfying. Hey, Kennedy,
what?
how is this satisfying? Because this is what? ASMR.
Oh, and if we're singing stuff, we're not trying to like copy somebody's song. We're just saying stuff because it matches with it. Come on.
Yeah.
I want like a bird. I need a bird. No, a butterfly. This is a butterfly. Fly. It won't fly. I just need to
Igloo a part of it, igloo, and I use it for heel, like right there. Ah! Or I could just do that with it. And it's not really a fidget, so I'm gonna go again.
What's that fidget?
This thing.
Oh yeah, it's not fidget, it's an egg.
So now here we have a butterfly puppet. Fly, 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 fly. It's also a great bow.
Hey, oh yeah, you can go pee. I'm trying to look.
This is a good puppet.
This is the one I showed, I think.
So it was this one or the purple one. Well, I showed its butt. Hey! If we show its butt, we get a slap in the butt.
No! I'm gonna try to make it through the hole.
Made it! I have an inappropriate one next.
Don't show it, thingamajigger.
Well, I have to. That's the whole part of the fidget.
Here. That's it. I said that's it of the thingamajigger.
Okay, so this is a llama. And
Can I get it out?
It's squishy. No.
I want to.
And this is its butt. When you squeeze its stomach and look at the butt.
Hey, I'm doing something what we haven't done yet.
The glitter comes out.
Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy. What's copywritten?
It's where you get booted off of YouTube from a song that you play. That's somebody else's song. Anyway, it's your turn to say.
A fidget spinner. Come on. A fidget spinner.
Get it away.
So, yeah, I got a fidget spinner. It has these little metal things on it. And
What?
the metal thing.
Can I see?
Metal.
Oh, the bead.
Yeah, the, like these things. Legs.
game guard. It's circle.
It's also a puppet.
Kayla, it's your turn.
Oh, puppy! I got an ice cream puppet. I think this was in the other video, but it's an ice cream puppet with a thing on it. It has letters and numbers on it.
And Kayla, come here for a second.
Pause it.
Pause it.
So I go once and then we go. Okay, so
Here we have an axolotl squishy. ASMR. And squishy. And it's a low rising. It's so cute!
and then I have this cat. Noot. Okay, so that's a tail. I showed it Goody like 3 times. And here's Matt again. Okay, and then it's a cat. And then when you squish it, it's like it's foaming.
Okay.
Sorry for that.
Sorry for that. And so here we have a slug, a noisemaker slug, and I got its baby.
And it's a puppet. I think this was in the last video, and it has like a chain and a puppet. So wait until part 3. That's gonna be a different day.
Thanks for watching, guys.